Number 34, determine the sum of the infinite geometric series below. So what is it doing? It's basically, in this case, it's going negative, then positive, then negative. So we're multiplying this case by negative a half because I can see it's being cut in two. So the formula is the first term, 1 minus the rate. It's the easiest formula there is. So the first term is 64, 1 minus the rate. Now the rate is negative a half. So that becomes plus a half. So it's 64 divided by 1.5. So if we divide by 1.5, we're going to get 42 and 2/3, I think. Yeah, 42 and 2/3, or if you like, 42.6 repeating. That's what they'll add up to. Because again, it's interesting here. You start with 64, but then you're losing 32. Then you gain 16, but then you're losing a little bit. So it continually does that. And notice, in the end, this is what it's going to be going to, because again, you're going to eventually just be right at zero. You're not going to be doing much of anything because your next number is 4 and then -2, then 1, cut in half, negative a half. See, you start getting smaller and smaller and smaller. That's why it eventually sums out. So here's our answer to number 34.